welcome to my channel. My name is Brian James and this is DB Automotive. Now, before I get started, I'll just quickly clear something up. I am not a business, I'm not registered as a business, and I do not accept jobs as a business. My passion is actually just doing up these little cars and driving them. DB Automotive is an in-joke between me and a couple of my friends. So that's just cleared up, we can move on. Right, now, what are we doing today? Well, actually today may look sunny out there right now, but it is cold and it is wet. This is why I've got all my gear on. And being in here, I'm actually sweating a bit because once I'm out there, it'll be fine. Today is the all-Ford day in Hamilton. Now, it's not a Ford. I think we can see that. But what it is it's got Ford running gear. So it's running a 1600 cross-flow motor, a Sierra gearbox, I believe it's a T9 gearbox, and a Mark II Escort diff with 411 diff gears in it. So it's rather fun to drive. On top of that, the induction is two 40mm side draft Webers. So it's even more fun to drive. So what the All Ford Day is a celebration of all things Ford. So, as promised, I was going to start going to car shows. This is what we're going to do today. We are going to the All Ford Day, and I'm going to pick out some cars that catch my eye, and we'll get to go on a bit of a journey with it. Now, as always, I'm always open to comments. If you've something you want to ask, please use the comment section below and let me know what you think. Okay, with that being said, let's go to the All Ford Day. Oh, and you guys have a good day. Okay, bye-bye.